List of executive director of the IMF as the February 2019 managing director. The IMF is led by the managing director, who is head of the staff and serves as the chairman of the executive board. The managing director is assisted by the first deputy manager director and three other deputy manager director. Historically, the IMF managing director has been for European and the president of the World Bank has been from the United States. However, this standard is increasingly being questioned, and competition for those two posts may soon open up to include other qualified candidates from any part of the world. And in August 2019, the International Monetary Fund has removed the age limit, which is 65 or over for its managing director position. In 2011, the world's largest developing countries, the BRIC nation, issues a statement declaring that the tradition of the appointment of a European as a managing director undermined the legitimacy of the IMF, and the call for the appointment to be the merit-based. A three-quarter portrait of an elegantly dressed Christina Lagarde, perhaps in her early 60s, sitting in a chair behind a microphone. She looks fit and trained. Her overall mean in are pleasant and intelligent. On 28 June 2011, Christina Lagarde was named managing director of the IMF, replacing Dominique Strauss-Kahn. Former managing director Dominique Strauss-Kahn was arrested in connection with the charge of the sexual assault in a New York hotel room attendant, and they resigned on 18 May. The charges were later dropped. On 28 June 2011, Christina Lagarde was confirmed as a managing director of the IMF for a 5-year term starting on 5th July 2011. She was re-elected by consensus for a second 5-year term starting 5th July 2016, being the only candidates nominated for the post of managing directors. Voting power. The voting power in the IMF is based on the quota system. Each member has a number of the basic votes. Each member of the number of the basic votes equally 5.502% of the total votes, plus one additional vote for each special drawing rights or 100,000 of the member of the country's quotas. The special drawing rights is the unit of the accounts of the IMF and represent a claim to currency. It is based on a basket of the key international currencies. The basic votes generate a slight bias in favor of the small countries, but the additional votes determined by the SDR outweigh this bias. Changes in the voting shares require approval by a supermajority of the 85% of voting power. In December 2015, the United States Congress adopting a legislation authorizing the 2010 quota and the governance reforms. As a result, all 188 members' quotas will increase from a total of about XDR to 38.5 billion to about XDR 477 billion, while the quotas, shares and voting power of the IMF poorest member countries will be protected. More than 6% of the quotas share will shift to dynamic emerging market and developing the countries, and also from our represented to the under the represented members. 4 emerging market countries, Brazil, China, India and Russia, will be among the 10 largest members of the IMF. Other top 10 members are the United States, Japan, Germany, France, and United Kingdom, and Italy. Effects of the quota system. The IMF quota system was created to raise funds for loans. Each IMF member country is assigned a quota and a contribution that reflect the country's relative size in the global economy. Each member quota also determines its relative voting power. Thus, financial contribution from the member government are linked to the voting power in the organization. This system follows the logic of the shareholders controllers organization. Wealthier countries have more say in the making and revision of rules, since decision making at the IMF reflects each member's relative economic position in the world. Wealthier countries that provide more money to IMF have more influence than the poorer members that contribute less. Nonetheless, the IMF focus on the redistributions